All right, today we're going to keep going with our factoring trinomials, but we're going to be on page 111 today. So we glued in this one yesterday. It should still be there. We still haven't finished it yet. We're still not going to finish it today. But I'm going to go ahead and label 111, 21.1 to 21.2, factoring trinomials. And that's on page 111. We do have a foldable. We will come back and glue that foldable in right here. We will not finish this foldable today. It's just kind of a review, a refresher of what we did yesterday in case you need it. And then you'll have more time to work today and ask questions as necessary. Okay. So this foldable looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half. But not, I said in half, not quite in half. Here's what I mean by not quite in half. You're going to fold it so that the words factoring trinomial sticks out. So like this, right up to that line. All right, then we are going to cut so that we have 3 flaps. We'll do the top flap today, the bottom 2 in a little while. And then we're actually going to cut the top completely off there and throw that away. We don't need that. So then it should look like this. And you've got 3 flaps that open. And it should fit in your notebook now and cut the top part off. It does not fit in my notebook. Let's cut some of the bottom off too. We'll see if this gets it. It might have fit in yours. I don't know. Mine might be shorter. Who knows? It fits now. So anyway, just make sure you don't cut off any problems while you're doing that. So we're just going to do a quick review, refresher of these. We've got 3 problems to go. If I were you, what I would start by doing is just use this as a quick check for yourself, okay? I want you to go ahead and do example 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to run through them. You need to just be checking your answers, and if I were you, if you want to, you can just skip to the end. I'll show you the answers real quick. I'll go ahead and just, and you can check them, and then go back and watch the video if you need an explanation. All right, this is a review, so if you don't need the complete explanation this time, skip to the answer, and then only go back if you need it, okay? All right, so just like before, C, B. C is 24, B is 10. 1 times 24, 1 plus 24 is 25. Nope. 2 times 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. Also, no. 3 times 8. 3 plus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11 is 11. Ooh, that one was close. Also, no. 4 times 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. There we go. X plus 4. X plus 6. Alright, I kind of ran into the room for example 2. I'll use a different color so we can distinguish them there. It's not great. Alright. Negative 32. 10. No, 4. Where in the world did I get 10? I don't know. 4. So one of these is going to have to be negative. Since this has to be positive, the smaller number will be negative. So negative 1 times 32. Negative 1 plus 32 is 31, so that's a no. Negative 2 times, I don't know. Negative 32 divided by negative 2 is 16. Had a moment where I forgot how to multiply evidently. That's 14, so that doesn't work. But they are positive, which is what we want. Negative 3, let's see if that will divide evenly. It doesn't, but 4 does. So negative, I should have done negative 4 and 8. Negative 4 plus 8 is 4. That's the one I want then. So the factor is x minus 4, x plus 8. In case you did not know, this minus right here, if you need to put a 1 there, you go for it. Sometimes you need that to help you out. If you don't need it, cool. If you do need it, we'll use it. Because it's negative 12 and negative 1. So if you didn't have that there, you might not realize that. All right, so negative means I'm going to have a negative and a positive, but this has to be negative, so my larger number needs to be negative. So positive 1, negative 12. 1 plus negative 12 is negative 11. No. 2 and negative 6. 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4. No. 3 and negative 4. 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1, which is what we wanted. So x plus 3, x minus 4. I'm going to zoom out so you can see all the answers. But there's how that's your refresher. X plus 4, x plus 6, x minus 4, x plus 8, x plus 3, x minus 4. Remember, this one could have been x plus 6, x plus 4, x plus 8, x minus 4, and x minus 4, x plus 3. They don't have to be in that order. It's just I took them straight from the chart. We're going to work on these two in a video, not the next one, but the one right after next. Let's go ahead and glue this in on page 111, though. I don't want to lose it. So I've got these 2 pages. I'm going to come back and finish all this later. I'm going to finish this one, then I'm going to finish these 2, okay? So go ahead and finish working on whatever homework. This is the end now of 21.1. We'll finish 21.2. We'll start it and finish it this week or next.